Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. In this video I am going to show you SP319 printer. There is a horizontal line error, horizontal blank line printing in HP InkTank 319 printer. So in this case you can see there is a long gap between the letters. In this case you have to replace this side encoder strip, the right side rounded encoder strip which is under this sensor. So let's open the sensor PCB. And remove the strip from the main PCB. Be careful, the cable blue color strip will remove if it will be pushed carelessly, so be careful. Then this is the side encoder strip. You have to remove it by hand. It's slightly fixed with a gum, plastic gum, which you have to remove this first. Sound encoder strip is completely colored with wastage inks, so we have to either replace it or clean it properly with plain water. We have replaced with a used one, so let's check. This is the old one which has given problem. Horizontal line, horizontal blank lines. Glue it some glue with dendrite and insert in the iron roller. अभी हम पावर लगा देंगे. अभी दोबारा चेक करेंगे हमारा प्रॉब्लम जो है सॉल्व आउट हुआ कि नहीं. So let's start and go for give a print.